All right, we're doing the distance formula graphically here. Graph a right triangle, so we're asked to graph a right triangle with the 2 points forming the hypotenuse. I got a new mouse here, it keeps bouncing around on me. Forming the hypotenuse. Using the sides, find the distance. Find the distance between the 2 points in its simplest radical form. Okay. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's see what our original problem looks like. Okay. Click twice to draw a line. Click a segment to erase it. Graph a right triangle with the 2 points forming the hypotenuse. Using the sides, find the distance between the 2 points. So it looks like -5, -1, that's 1 point. And -3, -8, that's the other point. Okay, so they click twice to draw a line. Looks like we've done that. And using the graph a right triangle with 2 points forming the hypotenuse, using the sides, find the distance between the 2 points. So it looks like maybe, what is it? They want a I may answer the question below now. All right. Okay, so I went ahead and I erased that one. Good. That was in the way. So it didn't want me to go on that one. It wanted me to draw this triangle. So I'll click right there and click right there. All right. So you can draw the triangle above it or below it. It doesn't matter. We just need to make a right triangle. And then, let's see, graph a right triangle, done, with 2 points forming the hypotenuse, done. Using the sides, find the distance between the 2 points. All right, so I need the sides now. So it's from -5 to -3. We can count 1, 2. We would have to subtract if we couldn't count. On this other side, we're going from -8 to -1. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that one. And then our Pythagorean theorem for right triangles is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c has to be the hypotenuse. It has to be the hypotenuse. All right. So I'll go ahead and plug these in. I can fill in part of this. I got one leg. I don't think the order matters. I got the second leg. And the hypotenuse is, now I have to do my math. So that's a 2 squared plus a 7 squared equals my hypotenuse squared. That's what I'm looking for. And that's 4 plus 7 times 7 is 49 equals c squared. 4 plus 49 is 53 equals c squared. Well, to get c by itself, what's the opposite of square? What's the opposite of square? Square root. When what you do to one side, you do to the other, don't forget the plus and minus sign. Whenever you undo a square, you have to have the plus and minus sign. But this is distance, D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E. Distance is only positive. So I don't have to put the minus sign there, but it's good algebra, it's good math steps to include it. And then we're left with C. So for me, I always require that you write the plus and minus sign just to prepare you for what's coming. All right. And square root. No, that's not where I wanted the square root. I want it here. Square root of 53. And 53 is prime. It doesn't simplify. We may have to simplify if it did. Let's see if there's, in its simplest radical form, yes, so watch out. No, I don't think it simplifies. Got it. And it takes you through the process there.